We are in our Piano Adventure series, and we are in Lesson Book Level 1, and we are going to play Halftime Show. Now this song shows us that we are going to play this song with energy. And why would we play this with energy? Well, halftime shows are very energetic. That's that middle section of a football game that gets the bands out. We have rock bands that come out, the cheerleaders come out. Everybody's been sitting there for the first half of the show. They need to be woke up and get their energy flowing again to sit through the second half of the show. So we are going to be practicing our FAC in our face of the treble clef, and our right hand thumb is going to start on F, and our left hand thumb is on middle C. Now we are going to play the first line, the second line, and then we have a repeat. So we're going to go back and we're going to play the second verse and then go to the end. And it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, repeat. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Play it with energy and have fun.